Hello everyone, welcome to the 7th episode of Xtreme Update. In the past, displaying vital data in command and control centers was limited. However, with the advent of digital technology, LED displays have revolutionized this process. They now provide a seamless and efficient way to present essential information, making it incredibly easy for data operators to access and review data. Xtreme Media recognizes the need of the hour and provides best-in-class LED displays designed to cater to this need. Xtreme Media has recently installed 3 fine pitch LED displays of A series with a pixel pitch of 1.56 mm at the command and control center of a prominent Japanese MNC in Bangalore. One of these screens happens to be the largest installation of A series with size 40 meter by 1.6 meter. Isn't that huge? Well, it is. The brightness level and high contrast ratio of the screens deliver captivating visuals with amazing color reproduction and crisply clear detail. The client was impressed with the installations and with Xtreme Media's offering of an exceptional 7-year warranty at no extra cost, accompanied by vigilant IoT monitoring that periodically checks the health of the displays. That's it for today. See you in the next episode.